Sacrus is a Russian patented device created by the same inventors as Cordus, which eliminates the fundamental cause of the spine's dysfunction. The microdisplacement of the sacrum and the base of the skull, complementing the therapies with Cordus. It's an important element in the treatment of herniated discs, sciatica, and scoliosis, among others. It may also be applied on the diaphragm and the knees. The specialized design of Sacrus adapts to the human body's anatomy. It has tips that work with acupressure and with neodymium magnets. The user just lies down on the tips of the device, breathes, relaxes, and keeps that position for 3 or 4 minutes. With each breath, the tips of the device start to penetrate the muscles slowly. This makes it a safer therapy than massage or chiropractic. Sacrum correction. Sacrus isolates and lifts the sacrum. When placed on this zone, different positions are carried out that are kept during 3 or 4 minutes. The acupressure tips of the device act on key points of the sacrum and coccyx, relaxing the deepest muscles and ligaments where neither massage therapists nor chiropractors can reach with their fingers. By this method, the correct position of the sacrum and coccyx are recovered, improving the spine's balance and eliminating, from the origin, dysfunctions and pains. Why is it necessary to correct the position of the sacrum? Most people have a deviated sacrum or coccyx caused by falls in childhood or sports falls, due to their sedentary lifestyle, a trauma during pregnancy, or at birth. Although they do not realize it, the microdisplacement of the sacrum causes a constant and strong tension in the spine that over the years triggers serious conditions, such as herniated discs, sciatica, scoliosis, intervertebral disc degeneration, knee and hip pain, among others. The treatments for these diseases will not be effective if their origin is not attended, which is linked to the bad position of the sacrum and the atlas. For specialists, the correction of the sacrum is a difficult task, since it is a bone surrounded by several layers of ligaments and strong muscles. Usually it requires long treatments and outstanding medical skills to correct it. Atlas correction. Sacrus fixes the base of the skull with a slight stretch of the neck. This soft pressure and stretch that is made in the cervical zone helps to unblock the zone and to recover the correct function of the atlas. Therefore, the good functioning of the nervous system is improved and the blood circulation that feeds the brain is regulated. Diaphragm correction. It's carried out laying on your stomach. The acupressure tips of the device penetrate in the zone of the upper stomach in a soft manner, unblocking the tensions that affect the normal functioning of the internal organs. Application of Sacrus in other zones. With Sacrus, you can make an osteopathic discharge of the dorsal zone for the correction of scoliosis. It can also be placed on the hips and knees. Does the use of Sacrus cause pains? The correct use of Sacrus, according to the manual, will not cause any pain. The advantage of the device is that the pressure can be adjusted depending on the conditions of your back. It can be used not only on flat surfaces, but also on a bed. Sacrus has neodymium magnets, with which it is also possible to get the benefits of magnetotherapy, improving the blood circulation and the functioning of the nerves in the treated zone. It is recommended to complement Sacrus using Cordus to obtain beneficial and faster results. Sacrus is the best option to recover the balance of the musculoskeletal system in a simple way using it at home. I really liked the feeling of stretching. I did not feel the tips any aggressive. Tips are very comfortable, deep but very comfortable. I felt a lot of relaxation, especially in the lumbar area. I think it is a very good compliment. You are not going to believe this, but here is my husband as a witness. I was just carrying some pickets here. I felt pickets, and since I used this, the pickets went away. They were kind of electric pickets. I just felt chic, and I felt like chic all the time. And using this, pickets disappeared. Also, I feel very well of the sacrum zone. Very comfortable, and I also like the fact that you can place it on your head and feel the body completely aligned. You are like this in a perfect position, and I also relax more. I liked it. This device works very well. I am a therapist and applied several therapies. The sacrum is the most important zone when we have low back pain, and it worked very well for me.